Hello, my name is Danillis del Contreras Medrano, Activity Unit 1, making a presentation about my best friends. Light. My friends July like to dance. He likes to go to the biking. July like to go jogging. Dislike. My friend July don't like to have curly. He don't like chocolate. Does not like but to boss. July does not like to wear glasses. Her was she could or could not to them which she was at all. Could not. When it was a girl July couldn't other go along. I couldn't fish. She couldn't be my king. Cool. July can by in the rain. My friend King skin no can go too far alone. Her what she can or cannot do not as a owl. Cannot. My friend can't be late for work. July can start paying the bills. She can miss college. Can. July can go shopping. My friend can go out with her boyfriend. She can not plan her wedding. Thank you.